What happened here? How did we get here? Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Jan and you are here for the glitter chai. Yep, we're gonna do glitter chai, right? 6 ways to do glitter chai. First up, let's take a look at this stuff. Smells good. All right, so it looks and smells wonderful. It's very sweet smelling. Spices, but sweet. What does DAVIDsTEA say about it? So it's a black tea and they say from cinnamon to baked caramel, this is your shortcut to pure radiance. The ingredients for this: black tea, brown sugar, coriander, roasted chicory root, ginger pieces, cloves, golden caramel pieces, cinnamon, fennel, natural and artificial flavorings, contains milk, may contain soy and tree nuts. All right. So that's what we have. But before we go any further, a lot of people are saying, hey, it's the replacement to glitter and gold, which I enjoy. Let's take a gander. Okay, so when we look at them, I mean, definitely glitter chai is more glittery. Let's take a look at what glitter and gold says. A sweet spiced black tea with pretty little gold star-shaped sprinkles. The ingredients are black tea, lemon peel, sugar sprinkles, sugar, cloves, natural and artificial flavoring. So that's what we got there. But we're not really here to talk about glitter and gold. Let's focus back on the wonderful glitter chai. And I love how they put it in this special gold bag. Love it, love it, love it. All right, I'm gonna show you 6 different ways to do glitter chai. Let's get started, step by step. Ooh, baby. First one up, regular. I have not tried glitter chai. It is very nice smelling, sweet. It is super glittery. I'll try to make sure I get to show you that. You can smell those spices. It is good. It is sweet. Definitely don't need any sugar with this one. That cinnamon really kicks it up a notch. It's very sweet. I don't know if I would naturally drink it just like this though. So let's move on to the next one. Continuing on with glitter chai 6 ways. Step number 2, iced. Got some ice cubes, already brewed some glitter chai and then allowed it to cool down in the fridge. In we go. Doesn't that look pretty? Definitely didn't need any sugar on that one. It's nice. You can still taste that cinnamon. I'm not getting like big hints of the black tea. I would almost want it like watered down a bit. There we go. 2 ways. Now, more ways. All right, let's get going with the next one. What do you think is going to be in here? 3rd way to do glitter chai. Just a regular latte. I used oat milk. Okay, let's try this. That is very nice. Still quite sweet, but nice. So far, I think this is my favorite out of the 3. All right. Okay, 4th one in our lineup, done and ready for tasting. This is a glitter chai eggnog latte. Okay, here we go. It smells delicious. I am an eggnog lover, so I also added a little bit of oat milk in with this as well, so it's not all eggnog. Oh my gosh, you guys. Still pretty sweet, but that is something I can get behind. Woo! That is wonderful. We still have 2 to go. All right, let's get brewing this one. What do you think? Can anything top that? Is this gonna be able to? Let's find out. We're doing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What would I call this? Chai nog to be naughty. I love a good pun. Yeah, we added Bailey's. So this is a glitter chai eggnog latte with Bailey's. As I have named, it is my chai nog to be naughty. This takes the cake. I'm not even gonna show you the last one. You guys, the Bailey's helps cut through that sugar. And I know Bailey's is sugary, but man, oh man, wow. It just adds a whole new layer to it. That is delicious. Woof. Okay. I can't believe we're doing it. All right, we got 1 left. What do you guys think it's gonna be? Maybe you already know. Let's get this one going. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ways to do glitter chai. Now, I think we gotta get going with this one. What do we have here? This here is glitter chai ice cubes. They're not fully frozen, but we're adding Bailey's to it, so it's all gonna be good. Look at that. And of course, drink responsibly. Okay, let's give this a taste. Yep, that's where it's at. Of course, only if you can drink responsibly. And there you have it. Bailey's over chai cubes. Chai cubes is where it's at. So did you think we could do it? All 6, we did it. We did it, we did it. I had some ideas for this glitter chai and I think they came true. I think overall I love this one. It's very decadent. I don't drink that often though. I did have to go out and buy this Bailey's just for this, but yeah. So first rating is gonna go to the chai nog to be naughty. Second place goes to just the basic chai eggnog latte. Third place goes to Bailey's over chai cubes. Fourth place, just a good old glitter chai latte with oat milk. Fourth place, glitter chai iced. Fifth place, just basic glitter chai. So as you can see, that's how I love my DAVIDsTEA glitter chai. 6 different ways. I love them all. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please subscribe, hit the like and the bells and the buzzers and all of those good things. I'll see you down in the comments. Until next time, take care. Bye. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Oh yeah.